Hey guys, Mr. Wilson here, and here's my cat, Misty. I wanted to upload some videos for you guys as we try to adjust to kind of this crazy time that we're going through. Um, but I wanted to, I think that these will be helpful for you guys. This first one that I'm going to post is going to be more so about a review with the population pyramid since it's been a while since we've met, obviously. So this first one's going to be a review. So you should be able to see my screen in this video. And as you can see, there's three different population pyramids right up here. Okay, so I'm going to go through these questions that are on this slide. First one says, which pyramid do you think represents a country with rapid population growth and why? So out of these three, this one right here on the left represents rapid population growth. The way that you know that is because the larger cohorts or age categories are the ones at the bottom. So that means that more people are being added to the population. The next question says, which pyramid shows slow population growth and why? That would be this one in the middle. Now it is slow population growth, and I'll zoom in a little bit because as you can see, the lower cohorts are not as wide. They are a little bit wider than the rest of the graph. Um, Actually, they aren't the widest portion. Okay, the widest portion is these cohorts up here. However, it is slowly getting bigger as you go down to the younger cohorts. So that's how you can tell it's slow population growth. Then the last one over here represents negative population growth because the smallest cohorts in the entire pyramid are down at the bottom. Okay, so I just wanted to review those different types of population pyramids for you guys. Now, this next slide is pretty interesting. It shows for the three countries, which, if you guys remember, we did make these population pyramids in class. That was on the last day um, before the break. They what they did here is they put down estimations of what the population would look like in the year 2050. So for Nigeria, it's just right below, and then we have the U.S. and Italy. They obviously change in appearance. The Nigeria one, the lower cohorts aren't necessarily as big as they are for the 2010. The United States, everything kind of moves upward in a way. And then the same for Italy as well. Now, these are just projections. And going back to what we were talking about earlier, how are these useful for a country's leaders? Well, a projection would be useful to kind of calculate maybe some long-term problems that countries' leaders may want to begin working on or get a jump start to try to work on it in 50 years if they're going to experience a significant decrease in their population, that sort of thing. Now, these are created by demographers. These projections are, and it's a pretty lengthy process in how they come up with these projections. I'm not going to read through all these. If you guys want to, you can actually pause this video and then you can read through kind of the process that they go through to project. And it varies between obviously projecting the life expectancy, how many people are going to immigrate or come into the country, and how many people are going to emigrate or leave the country. All those are different variables that go into these projections. And then, leaders then use projected population pyramids to plan how to best prepare their countries for future population issues. So, like I said, guys, this is more so a review, at least in this video. Now, in your section 3, you had to look at, I believe it was Italy's population, and you had to answer some questions on negative population growth and the causes behind that. And then section 4, you had to rank the different causes. So in the next video, since I can only use this app for 5 minutes, I'm just going to go over that assignment, kind of walk you through it, share some possible answers. So be looking for that video.